Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you have got the exam essay 1 timetable. Now, I'm going to give you the pattern of the question paper. Means what all I'll be giving in the question, which are the headings are there in the question paper. Right? First main, you will have do as directed. In that subheadings is opposites, genders, synonyms, past tense, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun, underline the common noun and the proper noun, circle the proper noun, add the punctuation, write the uncountable nouns, and complete the following with a, and the. This is part A. Part A covers all full of the grammar itself. Right? This opposite, gender, synonyms, past tense, you will be getting in your worksheet. Okay, this full worksheet. Okay, abstract noun, it is in your grammar textbook. Collective noun also grammar textbook. Fill in the blanks with material noun. Underline the common. These all are in the textbooks I have done for you. Okay, you search the same mains are there in the textbooks. So you can learn from the textbook. This complete the following with a, and the. This also in article, lesson article, you will get the passage line. Fill in the blanks with articles. Passage, 3-4 lines with passage, you are getting that you have to do it. Got it? So, all this covers under the grammar itself. Are you getting, children? These are in worksheet. This is in this abstract noun like honest, honesty. Honesty. Okay. Child, childhood. Like this it is there in your textbook. Nearly 130 abstracts noun are there. You have to learn that. Okay? Kind, kindness. Right? So, these are abstract noun. Collective noun. Collective noun, you have to, that is ticking of that. It is, you are having. Okay? Copy these headings, children. Now I'll go to the part A. This punctuation, I'll be giving the sentence. You have to see whether you have to put the full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Full stop, question mark, exclamatory. In this 3, any one you have to write it. Like, how are you? How are you? Means it is a question mark. Right. How far is your house? It is also question mark. My hobbies are singing and dancing. What is that? It's a full stop. Full stop. Okay. Then I am going to Chennai. I am going to Chennai. That is also full stop. How beautiful is this flower? How beautiful. It is exclamatory mark. It is exclamatory mark. You have in your textbook in sentence lesson. Lesson sentence, next page only you are having that. So you can cover that. Now in part B, okay. First main is Make sentence of your own. Make sentence of your own. Second, write meanings for. Write meanings of. For. Then, third main, complete the poem. Complete the poem. It is tiger. Tiger. Then, fourth main, who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? It is in the worksheet. Then answer the following. Answer the following. That's all it is. Okay. Now, write meanings for. I'll give 10 meanings, you learn that, okay? Revision. Write meanings for. First one. I'll give only questions, children. You are supposed to write. Grant perished slide away thrush then stark fangs concrete loophole vigorously Fall. Tiger, this is 2 stanzas. Children, you have to line 2 stanzas. First 2 stanzas, right? This who said to whom? I have given in the worksheet, children. 4 are there in the worksheet. So you have to learn that. Okay? Now answer the following. I will give few questions, okay? Answer the following. First one. Why did Mud say that gorilla babies, comma, elephant babies, and human babies, are not so different. Are not so different. Second one. Was Mud truly happy in his life, with the humans? Third, what did Ranji find when he reached the river? When he reached the river. Fourth one. Describe the image conveyed through 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 velvet white. QUIET, quiet. Fifth one. How did the tanner's plan of covering the king's feet, apostrophe S, king's feet, worked successfully. Ellen White, question mark. Sixth one. The room we said is melt away. The room we said in melts away. In melts away. Why does the room melt away? In the book's poem you have. Why does the room melts away? Seventh one. Is the tiger happy to see visitors at the zoo? Eighth one. Inverted commas. You were supposed to get rid rid of the dust, comma, not fill the world with it. Did the entire world really get filled with dust, Why does the king say so? Why does the king say so? Yes, I have given you 8 questions. Learn the 8 questions also, children. I have given all the what I have done in the grammar only. It is there. You have to see properly, see the means properly what I had given and write according to that. Okay, children? Copy all these questions. 8 questions are there. You have to copy down all the 8 questions. Answer these questions and learn properly. All the best for your exam, children. Write well. Let the handwriting be legible, neat. Okay, so you can score good marks. If it is neat, you will get good marks. Right? So don't be careless. Read well properly. Hope you are doing well. Right? Have a nice day, children.